Hi, I made this second free preview video just to give you a better insight about this course. So again, this is not a masterclass. I won't teach you everything about Photoshop, but I will show you how to use and what to use in order to become successful in the most common things that are required when you work as a freelancer, especially as a photo editor and photo retoucher. For example, you're going to get hired to remove this logo here and to change the color of the hoodie in general, or even add a different pattern. And I will show you how easy this can be done and still retaining all of the texture and shadows and highlights of the hoodie. Then for example, in this case, we are going to learn some little more advanced selections. We are going to select just the smoke and we are going to isolate it from the background, and then we are going to play with the colors a little bit like this, and we will get some interesting effect on the picture. This is useful for you to know how to make good selections and how to change the color, for example, of things, objects, or whatever. Then we are going to do some body reshaping. Like in this case, we are going to give this guy a little more muscles, and you will see how simple this is, and again, you will get paid for such things. Then we are going to learn some skin retouching, some portrait retouching, and this is some of the things that you probably think of as the first thing when someone mentions photoshopped image or something like that. So we are going to go step by step. First we are going to do some basic skin cleanup like this. Then we are going to do some playing with the colors of the eye. Then we are going to do some deeper skin cleanup like this, and then we are going to add a couple of more lashes to the eye, as you can see here. Then we are going to make the eyebrow a little thicker, and at the end we are going to play a little bit the shadows to make this picture more eye-pleasing. Okay, this is very simple thing to do, and I will show you a couple of ways and techniques that you can use to clean up skin discolorations and problems like this. Then I'm going to use this example to show you how we can iron out some of the wrinkles on the clothing. Pay attention only to this part here. You see, this is the before and after, and by doing this you will make the picture look a little more professionally done, and the product in this picture will look like a higher quality one, and by doing this you will help the client to make more sales by using this picture, and that's why you've been hired in the first place, and that's why you are going to get paid for doing this. So these are only a couple of the things that we are going to cover in this course, and if you are interested, I'm waiting for you in the course. Thank you.